Breaking down, break out. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into the phrase, break out. It's a versatile term with various meanings in the English language. Let's unravel these meanings and learn how to use them in sentences. When we hear the word, break out, the first thing that might come to mind is the literal meaning. It means to escape from a place, especially by force. Example, the prisoners tried to break out of jail. Break out can also mean the sudden occurrence or appearance of something. This is often used in the context of something unexpected or unplanned. Example, I was so stressed last week, and I broke out in hives. Another common use of break out is when something starts suddenly, especially in the context of emotions or actions. Example, when she heard the good news, she broke out in tears of joy. In a more casual context, break out can mean to take something out of where it's stored or to start using something. Example, the sun is shining, so let's break out the barbecue. The term, break out, as a single word is used as a noun and often refers to a notable success. Example, the movie was a breakout hit this summer. Breakout is one of those phrases that showcases the richness of the English language. Whether it's an escape, a sudden start, or bringing out something special, the context defines its meaning. We hope this video helps you understand and use breakout more confidently in your conversations. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.